Basically what we did is we tried to kind of give a glimpse into understanding what it takes to do a production and kind of go through the 5 stages of production.
The best moment for me was probably meeting a bunch of people who share the same interest as me, which can be hard when you live in such a small town. So kind of seems unreal to be here and meet such great professionals who can work in the industry and just learn from them. So
something I thought was really cool was how you can basically make something out of barely anything at all. Like the set, I remember we were here doing like introduction activities, and then like a couple days later it was a whole other set here, and out of literally like tinfoil and a bunch of other stuff like that. I thought it was crazy cool.
I learned about how to set up lights and how heavy sandbags are. It's insane.
What I really like about the Toronto Film School, for people that think this career makes sense for them, is that it's people who do work in the industry and have an understanding of where the industry is at and where it's going.